Bitcoin. It's the buzzword that's infiltrated every corner of our lives, from your uncle's rambling rants at Thanksgiving to the hushed whispers of Wall Street. But beneath the hype lies a fascinating, if somewhat confusing, technology that's reshaping how we think about money. And at the heart of this revolution is the enigmatic process of Bitcoin mining. This isn't about donning a hard hat and digging for digital gold in some virtual cave. It's about using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, a process that underpins the entire Bitcoin network. Think of Bitcoin miners as the unsung heroes, the tireless accountants of this decentralized digital currency. They validate transactions, ensuring everything runs smoothly and securely. But as with any good story, there's more to it than meets the eye. So buckle up as we delve into the wild world of Bitcoin mining, exploring its inner workings, its impact on our planet, and the potential risks and rewards it holds. Let's get down to brass tacks. How does this whole mining thing actually work? Imagine a giant global Sudoku puzzle, except instead of numbers, it's filled with complex cryptographic hashes. Miners use their powerful computers to solve these puzzles, and the first one to crack the code gets rewarded with bitcoins. But it's not just about speed. The difficulty of these puzzles adjusts automatically, ensuring that new bitcoins are created at a steady rate. This process prevents anyone from manipulating the Bitcoin supply and tanking the system. It's also what makes Bitcoin transactions so secure. Miners bundle transactions into blocks, adding them to the blockchain, a public permanent ledger. It's like a giant tamper-proof receipt that ensures transparency and prevents double spending. So the next time you hear someone mention Bitcoin mining, remember, it's the backbone of this revolutionary technology. Now, for the elephant in the room, Bitcoin mining's environmental impact. Let's be blunt, it's energy intensive, like really energy intensive. Those powerful computers working tirelessly to solve cryptographic puzzles, they guzzle electricity like it's going out of style. We're talking about a carbon footprint comparable to that of entire countries. This has sparked heated debates and raised concerns about the sustainability of this digital gold rush. Critics argue that the environmental cost outweighs the potential benefits, especially with the urgent need to address climate change. Proponents, however, counter that the industry is moving towards renewable energy sources, and that Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it more resilient than traditional financial systems. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. And as with any emerging technology, finding a balance between innovation and sustainability is crucial. So you're thinking about joining the ranks of Bitcoin miners, hoping to strike digital gold? Hold your horses. Before you invest your life savings in top-of-the-line mining hardware, let's talk about profitability. The economics of Bitcoin mining are a delicate dance between factors like the price of Bitcoin, the cost of electricity, and the ever-increasing difficulty of mining. When Bitcoin's price skyrockets, so does the competition, making it harder for individual miners to turn a profit. Then there's the cost of electricity. Remember those energy-hungry computers? If you're paying a premium for electricity, your profits can quickly evaporate. And as if that wasn't enough, the difficulty of mining adjusts automatically, ensuring that even with more miners joining the fray, new Bitcoins are created at a steady rate. This means you're constantly in a technological arms race, needing to upgrade your hardware to stay ahead of the curve. In short, while the allure of striking it rich is tempting, Bitcoin mining is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a complex business venture that requires careful planning, significant investment, and a high tolerance for risk. Section 5. The perils of picking up digital nuggets. Bitcoin mining might seem like a digital gold rush, but it comes with its fair share of risks and challenges. First off, there's the volatility of the Bitcoin market itself. One day, you're sitting on a digital gold mine. The next, your investment has plummeted faster than you can say cryptocurrency. And remember those expensive mining rigs? They become obsolete faster than you can say Moore's Law. Then there's the regulatory landscape, which is about as clear as mud. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. And let's not forget about the technical challenges. From maintaining your mining hardware to navigating the complexities of blockchain technology, there's a steep learning curve involved. In short, Bitcoin mining is not for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward endeavor that requires technical expertise, a healthy appetite for risk, and a good dose of patience. Section 6. The ever-shifting sands of Bitcoin's future. Gazing into the crystal ball of Bitcoin's future is a fool's errand. It's a world of speculation, predictions, and wild guesses. Some experts believe Bitcoin will continue to soar, becoming a mainstream currency used by millions. Others predict a spectacular crash, leaving investors with worthless digital tokens. And then there's the possibility of governments cracking down on cryptocurrencies. The future of Bitcoin mining is linked to the fate of Bitcoin itself. As technology advances and regulations evolve, the way we mine Bitcoin will change. Will we see a shift towards more energy-efficient mining methods? Will governments embrace or stifle this industry? Only time will tell. Section 7. The long arm of the law, regulations, and Bitcoin mining. Governments around the world are starting to realize that Bitcoin, this digital disruptor, isn't going away anytime soon, and with that realization comes the inevitable regulation. Some countries, eager to foster innovation, have rolled out the red carpet for crypto businesses, creating favorable regulatory frameworks. Others, however, view Bitcoin with suspicion, wary of its potential for illicit activities and its impact on their financial systems. This patchwork of regulations creates uncertainty for Bitcoin miners, who have to navigate a complex web of rules that vary from country to country. As the industry matures, finding a balance between fostering innovation and protecting consumers will be crucial for the long-term success of Bitcoin mining. Section 8. Hash Labs to the rescue. A look at hosted mining. For those who want to dip their toes into the Bitcoin mining pool without getting soaked in the technical complexities, there's an alternative hosted mining services like Hash Labs. Think of it as renting out a piece of a giant data center dedicated to Bitcoin mining. You pay a fee, and in return, you get a share of the mining rewards, minus the headaches of setting up and maintaining your own mining operation. It's a convenient option, especially for beginners, but it comes with its own set of considerations. You're essentially trusting a third party with your investment, and as with any service, there's the risk of scams or mismanagement. Before jumping on the hosted mining bandwagon, it's crucial to do your research, compare providers, and understand the fees involved. Section 9. Conclusion: to mine or not to mine? That is the question. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the wild world of Bitcoin mining, from its humble beginnings to its potential impact on our planet and its uncertain future. The question of whether or not to mine Bitcoin is a personal one, fraught with risks and rewards. It's not a decision to be taken lightly. Before you invest your hard-earned cash, take the time to understand the technical complexities, the environmental impact, and the ever-changing regulatory landscape. Please hit the like button and subscribe. If you're willing to embrace the volatility, the challenges, and the potential rewards, then perhaps Bitcoin mining is for you.